So this is something that happens to me all the time, and you would think that it happens to me all the time, so I'd be prepared more, is the kids will request burger night, and I'll make some burgers, and by the time that we're assembling everything, and I'm like, all right, let me go to the pantry and get some bread, I realize we have no burger buns. So this is what I usually go for. I usually turn it into like a burger wrap instead. So that's what we're gonna be making today. And if you're not a subscriber yet, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. It looks like this, and a little notification bell next to it, so you will be notified every time a new video goes up. And yeah, I'm Veggie Rolls, and let's get veggie. So we're making a barbecue cucumber dill sandwich, or I should call this a wrap. I don't even know what to call this. What do you think I should be calling this? Because I have no idea. So first thing, we're adding some flour into our bowl here. The link to the full recipe will be down below. And here we have our seasonings, and we have onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, smoked paprika, cumin, salt, and parsley. So we're gonna be adding in our water, and we're just gonna slowly add it in. So now that this is mixed, we have our cauliflower here, and for the cauliflower, all I did was just cut up half of the head of a cauliflower, and then I sliced like 1-inch thick pieces. And then this one's like really big, but it's falling apart because it was from the very edge. So I usually start from the middle. And yeah, so we're gonna just be tossing this into our batter. And then we're gonna be tossing that into our breadcrumbs. And these are just plain breadcrumbs, but you can use seasoned, of course. But I just feel like with all the flavors that are going on in here, you're better off just using plain. And then you're just gonna do that with every single one of these. And we're gonna put this into the oven. The oven's been preheated at 450 degrees, and it's gonna go in for 20 minutes. All right, so I made one ahead of time. Let's just pretend that it's been 20 minutes in the oven, and I'm just gonna slather it with some barbecue sauce, whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is. Mine's is Sweet Baby Ray's. No, I'm not sponsored, but that is like the only barbecue sauce we buy here, just because it's so yummy. So yeah, so you wanna slather both sides of your cauliflower patty with the barbecue sauce. And then this is gonna go back into the oven for another 20 minutes. Okay, so while the stuff is in the oven, we're gonna start with our cucumber slaw. So we're gonna add in our cucumber, and we slice this up really, really nice and thin. Okay, and then we're gonna be tossing in our mayo. This is 1/4 cup of mayo. Then we're gonna be adding our vinegar, also adding some sugar. I'm using 1 teaspoon of sugar, but you can use another, like an extra teaspoon if you like, depending on how sweet you like your coleslaw. And then we're adding in some thinly sliced red onion, and also we're adding in some dill, or dill weed, or dill plant, whatever it's called. And then we're gonna just mix all this up, and this is gonna go on top of our sandwich. So yummy. Because I usually do like traditional coleslaw with these sandwiches, but I absolutely love this sort of like salad. I eat this all the time just on its own as a snack. So I figured, why not throw this on top of this burger? And it turned out to be delicious. So here I am showing you. And you can of course do salt and pepper to taste, but I'm gonna just do a little sprinkling of pepper because all the condiments in here are salty enough on their own. All right, and then we're just gonna hang on to this until the stuff comes out of the oven. All right, so this guy is out of the oven, and what are we gonna do? This is like the simplest, most delicious thing you could probably eat, like seriously guys, seriously. So we have this here, and our cauliflower is nice and ready to go. And you guys know that I love to like make things over the top and make a bunch of stuff and like add a ton of toppings and stuff, but this alone already has the cucumber and the dill and the onions and the mayo, so you don't really have to do much more to it. All right, and then we're just gonna wrap this guy up just like this. If it breaks a little on you, who cares? You're gonna eat it anyways, right? Right? I mean, right? I'm gonna cut into it because it's already breaking up on me anyways. So here we go. All right guys, so it is time for the taste test cam. this too because I just really love this type of sandwich. All right, so I just take off a little bit of the wrap. I don't like bread like that. So here we go. You guys have no idea. No idea. It's so good. You guys have to try this out and let me know what you guys think.
So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes. #TeamVeggieRolls. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon.